Hi guys, we are going to have a look at this USB multimeter charger detector from MUKER. I bought this for £5.99 on Amazon, and it allows you to measure voltage and current of your USB port. Now let's open it. Let's see what is inside. On the front, it's got a picture of your phone and your game console, your PC, and a camera. I don't know what this is. And the detection range is 3.5 to 9 volt, and the current 0 to 3.3 amp, plus minus 1%. Measure the output current and voltage of a USB supply. With a multimeter, you could know clearly the charging status of your phone and tablet, and distinguish both charger and cable. No battery, no on-off switch, plug and play, and it's made in China. Now let's plug it in. Now it's showing 5.2 volt. And the arm is 0 because we haven't got any load on it. Let's plug in my Samsung Galaxy Note 2. Let's see. It's charging, but it's not stable, I think, because my battery is nearly gone. And the voltage dropped down slightly to 5.19. And let's plug in my iPad. Now you can see the current is 1 amp and 300 milliamp. The voltage dropped down to 4.8. Well, that's it. This is a very useful device. I really like it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video.